Get a bird, they said. Skyr encounters a highly territorial marmot on the slopes. Yes, we do. On the back shelf along the wall, top left. This kitten don't mess around. He feels very accomplished.
No! Oh! That's not for you. Hey! What are you doing? You kidding me? This is my sandwich.
He will eat that sandwich out of your
Kidding me,
cold,
man?
dead hands.
Vivian, my sandwich. No! Oh! Hey! My sandwich. No. No. Hey!
Oh!
Because I can. Mama give you a hand here. Nom nom nom. Cats are hard to impress. Midnight parkour. Reason for lack of homework. The bird is an asshole. This one will never get old for me. The baby goat knocking over the other baby goats. He woke up and chose violence. Egg thief. Finally, a plate, just you and me. Fate will decide who wins.
Don't you do it, don't you do it.
My husband said the dog knocked over the planter, so I checked the video. My husband sent me this. And one more time. Excuse me, sir, but you look dehydrated. They were both sleeping 3 minutes ago. Dog occupies pool, ignores repeated complaints from owner.
This is either a horse or a sheep.
Couple wakes up to a vicious pack.
Trying to eat our tent. Holy please don't bite a hole in it. Ah! No, it doesn't give a we had to set up the tent because if he bites a hole in it. Oh my god! Like a whole family! Hello! I think they're pretty chill. They look pretty chill.
Thank you, human. Oh. Were you sleeping here? Oh, take care. The audacity in this little food critic. My neighbor's goats constantly get my property. Guess now they ding-dong ditch us. Trying to measure snow.
Phoenix, stop it. Go on. Go. Phoenix, damn it. Stop it. You're a pain in the ass. Go.
Fuck your legs. Jerk. Next time. I will find your house and shit in your socks. Yo. Hello. If I see you wearing that awful sweatshirt again. Cool jacket, and I hate you. Puppy wants cat to wake up and play instead of sleep. The cutest little jerk. Mockingbirds are so aggressive. Human, I demand that you let me in right now.
Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid. Not today.
Brothers turn to jerks too.
Not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah.
For 27 years.
What a menace. Do I fucking look like a drum? The connection signal is lost.